Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can share Google Drive link on WhatsApp. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get into it. First of all, I'm sure that you have Google Drive app in your mobile, and if you don't have Google Drive app, then you can just simply install from here in the Play Store. Just search for Drive, and from here you can just simply install Google Drive. Okay, if I open Google Drive from here, then you can see that I am already logged into my account, so make sure that you are also logged into your account. Okay, so there are two ways you can simply upload a photo on Google Drive. You can either click on this plus option from here, or you can go to a specific photo which you want to upload. Like for example, I will just go to my camera folder, and here let's say that I just want to upload this picture. Okay, so from here you can just simply click on this share, and from here you will get the option of Drive. Okay, so it's up to you which option you want to choose. So I will select this option and I will go to Google Drive, and from here you can upload your photo to already existing folder, or you can make a new folder. Okay, so for making a new folder, you just have to click here and just click on this plus option at the top, and here you can just name your folder. So I will just write it as my picture. Okay, and after that just click on this create, and then just simply select. And once the setting is done, you can just simply click on this save, and your picture is being uploaded to your Google Drive. Okay, now to share the link of this file on WhatsApp, you just have to open Google Drive, and from here just find the folder where you have uploaded your picture. So this was the folder. I will just click on these three dots, and I will simply click on this share, and from here you can just simply get the link. So you have to click on this option, and from here just change, and from here just click on this anyone with the link, and after that you have to click on this copy link. Here you can just simply open your WhatsApp, and you can just select a specific contact, and you can share your Google Drive link on the WhatsApp, and he can view or edit your folder. So that's how you can share the Google Drive link on WhatsApp. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.